Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to install the BuzzMag News WordPress magazine blog theme step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Now click Add New, and then select Upload Theme. Click on Choose File, select the BuzzMag theme zip file, and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the BuzzMag theme on your website. After activation, you may see a notice to install required or recommended plugins. Click Begin Installing Plugins, select all plugins, install them, and then activate them. Next, to import demo content, go to Appearance, then Import Demo Data, or Theme Options, depending on the theme version. Choose your favorite demo layout and click Import. Please wait a few moments while the demo content is installed. After the import is complete, go to Appearance, then Customize. Here, you can